Hi, welcome to Miniezshops behind the scenes videos with myself, Elizabeth, and today I'll show you how I turn my little sculptures into earrings, like this. More specifically, I'll show you how I attach these little studs for the backers for the earrings. And there's a lot of ways to do this, but I'm just going to show you the way that I do it. Let's take a look. First, you'll need a sculpture to attach the post to. I've got a variety of tutorials you can check out, or you can definitely use your own idea. Just make sure the back of your sculpture can rest on a flat surface. Once your sculpture is made and baked, I take a little bit of clay of the same color, and I take these stainless steel earring backers and these three tools. This one has a flat edge, this one is circular silicone dowel tool, and this one is just an x-acto knife. I'll link those below. I take a tiny piece of clay and set it on the back of the earring stud. I make sure it's warmed up first so it's kind of sticky. Some people put glue here or liquid polymer clay, but this works just the same. And I press it onto the back there. I take another bit of clay, about twice as much as for that tiny piece. I warm it up and then I kind of flatten it, and then I set it on top, slide it down, and kind of smooth it out. This ensures the post is securely embedded in the clay and it's going nowhere. I know a lot of people use resin to cover the back of their post, but I think that covering it with clay just looks a little prettier. Once I've gotten it a little smoothed out, I take this silicone dowel tool and really smooth those edges. Once all those seams are nice and smooth, I flip it around and make sure none of the new clay is visible from the front. Then I take my knife, just slightly press all the way around the post to make a nice flat resting spot. Then I smooth that with my fingers. I use a brand of polymer clay called Cosclay, which is flexible after baking, so it's super durable. And do a little bit of touch up with this flat silicone dowel tool. Then I take my potter's needle and design it. Then it's ready to pop back in the oven. I've got a video on how I bake the polymer clay. Feel free to check that out. I'll link it below. And if you have any questions about the sculpting process, please feel free to let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. Bye.